Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my second video today. Since I have some free time, I figured why not, because I'm usually very busy working long hours, including late evenings and weekends. So since I have some time today, I figured I will do this second reveal. And just to show you, this is the two envelopes that it came with. So by the logo you can probably tell that this is from Hermes Paris. There you go. So I ordered this almost 2 weeks ago, and it arrived on a Sunday, and it pretty much arrived, I believe, the next working day. So it had the Federal Express bubbly envelope, which I did not keep, and I chose to have it shipped to me. So I did look at this item online, and I absolutely love the color online, and that's why I had it shipped to me. And actually now I'm thinking that I should have had the item sent to the store, take a look at it and see if I liked it or not, because I will show you in a bit. This is the item, and it opens up like this. So it came in this bubble wrap like this, and they sent to me also two samples of Hermes Paris eau de toilette, and the two eau de toilette is Hermes Paris ombre narguilé, and rose ikebana. Let's see if I can try to capture this for you. I'm not sure if you'll be able to read this or not, but I'm going to try to show this to you. I will leave the names below. To be honest, I haven't tested them out. I'm pretty specific and pretty difficult when it comes to perfume and fragrances, and right now the only brands that I'm into is basically just Tom Ford, and the other one is Guerlain. So yes, my perfume taste is very difficult. I like very rich scent, but of course we're here to talk about this, so I digress. So this is a lovely packaging that this came with. So it reads Hermes 2018, which is 2018. So it gives you the year of the item on the ribbon. So I'm going to assume that this is a 2018 item. I am not sure, but this is what it comes with. So I'm going to open this. It's not that easy to open, as you can see. So this is the wrapping, and as you can see, this is the beautiful Hermes Bastia change purse. That's what it's called online, and it's a very deep burgundy color, and that's what I was surprised online. The name of this item, which I'm going to show you right now, reads it reads that it's a rouge ash, and in French that means rouge means red basically. And I'm going to show you the invoice. That's what it comes with. So I haven't read this. It just say Hermes would like to thank you for your purchase and all that. Your receipt facture is right here, and I'm going to show you, if you pull this up, you'll show invoice, and on the invoice, I'm going to give you the code in case you're interested. It's still beautiful nonetheless, but that's not what I had expected to see based on the color online. I guess the color online can be deceptive. So here you say it reads Bastia change purse rouge ash, and rouge is obviously red in French. So online this looks like a very bright red, but as you can see, this is more of a burgundy color, as you can see right here. And I'm going to compare this to you for you to see that actually it's even darker than my boy bag. So I actually wanted a piece that was I actually was looking for a red color, something that would pop inside of my my bag, right? And so that's why when I saw this online, and actually I think it's still online, so if you want to check that out for yourself, you will see that the color is actually a very bright, well, not very bright red, but it's a deep red, and this is a very deep dark burgundy to me. It's burgundy to me, and it's even darker than my boy bag, which I found is a dark burgundy already. So comparing the two side by side, you can see that my boy bag is much more reddish in undertone as opposed to this. I would say this is a burgundy that leans more maroon, more brown, but nonetheless it's still very beautiful. Like, you can see the color is absolutely stunning. The inside reads Hermes Paris, made in France or France. And actually I'm going to give you the measurement just so that you know for reference. It is 3.5 right there, and also actually is it 3.5 or did, oh, I'm sorry, it's not 3.5, it's 3.25 by 3.25. Yeah, so 3.25 by 3.25, and this is the thickness of the item. It looks like this. So I obviously wanted to get this for some change, because although I use mainly cards and credit cards, there are times when I do have technical issues with the machines and I am unable to use my credit cards, and therefore it's always nice to be able to have some cash. So I just wanted to quickly show you this color in comparison with the card holder that I just got. So again, comparing the card holder with my boy bag, it's already, you can tell that my boy bag is already very dark, and now this is even darker. So I mean, there's no question that this is a beautiful piece, but this is not the color that I was looking for. Like I said, I'm very much into burgundies and red, but this is a bit more darker than I would like it to be. So at this point, I'm not sure if I am going to keep this piece. Leave me your comments down below on what you think about this color. I do think it is absolutely a beautiful color, but I just find it a little bit dark for my taste. So I think what I'll do is I will most likely return this. Unless if anyone is interested, please do let me know and we can talk about it. Otherwise, I will just quickly return this piece, but I do think it is absolutely beautiful, but I just would like a more brighter color. That's just my preference. So this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and follow me on Instagram to let me know that you are enjoying my videos, and so that I know to continue to make them for you. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have a very good day and a very good weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.